Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. So, students, we are going to take our chapter number 3rd, that is The Bangle Seller, and it's a poem. Okay. So, before proceeding towards the poem, you all must be aware of the word bangle sellers. Bangle sellers are the one who sells the bangle. So, in this poem describes the life of Indian women. Okay, for them jewelry emphasis more, so the customs and tradition they partake in, and the poem uses a theme of bangle is an important ornament for Indian women to embellish themselves with. So the poem setting of the poem is at the temple fair मेला जिसे बोलते हैं, ठीक है। वे यहाँ पर जो है टेम्पल फेयर के बाहर जो है बैंगल सेलर होते हैं, वो पीपल्स को या पब्लिक को जो है बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से कॉल आउट करते हैं कि वो जो हैं उनकी बैंगल्स आनकर देखें और उनसे वो बैंगल्स खरीदें फॉर देयर डॉटर्स एंड देयर wife. So basically the setting of poem is at the temple fair where the bangle sellers call out people to have a look at their bangles and buy them for their daughters and wife. So let's start the poem. First stanza is, bangle sellers are we who bear our shining lords to the temple fair. बैंगल सेलर्स, यहाँ पे एक बैंगल सेलर नहीं है, यहाँ पे उनके साथ अमंग देमसेल्फ देयर आर मैनी मोर, सो यहाँ पर बैंगल सेलर्स यूज़ हुआ है। और ये कौन बोल रहा है? ये वो लोग बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो बैंगल सेल कर रहे हैं, जो सेलर्स हैं वो अपने आप को बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है। बैंगल सेलर्स आर वी हु बेयर आर शाइनिंग लोड्स टू द टेम्पल फेयर. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circles of light, lustrous token of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives? So children, the poem is all about a bangle seller who is talking about various kinds of bangle he carries with him. Okay, he carries a lot of variety of bangles with him, and he is talking about various kinds of bangles and about the women to buy them, and he's calling out the people at the temple fair, ठीक है। और वहाँ से वो पब्लिक को या लोगों को ज़ोर ज़ोर से कॉल आउट कर रहे थे to have a look on them and to buy from them. So the poem described the everyday life of bangle seller as well. The speaker of the poem is one such bangle sellers, and as I told you earlier कि जो दो लाइन्स फर्स्ट टू लाइन्स बोली हैं वो बैंगल सेलर नहीं बोली हैं, ठीक है। एंड ही डिस्क्राइब द everyday life of bangle seller as well. So the speaker of the poem is one such bangle sellers, and the first two line he described what is like to carry. Okay, what they are carrying? They carrying precious shiny loads of bangles to the temple fairs and other such places where women can buy them. Okay, उन्होंने bangles को compare किससे किया है? shiny loads से, क्योंकि उसमें जो है लाइट होती थी ताकि वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस जाती थी. सो दे आर नोन एज शाइनी लोड्स, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी चमकती हैं. और वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ बैंगल्स हैं उनके पास, तो ज़रूरी नहीं सिर्फ एक शाइनिंग लोड्स हों, और अदर बैंगल्स भी हैं, वो हम आगे पोयम में पढ़ेंगे. सो राइट नाउ इन फर्स्ट पैरा the bangle seller is describing the shining loads of bangles to the temple fair which he is carrying, and among them also they are having other variety of bangles too which they are carrying to temple fair and other such places where women can buy them. Now the third line is, are shining loads to the temple fair, who will buy these delicate bride? Means in the third line the bangle seller cry for the sale of his bangle. Okay, he calls out to the women who might buy these bangles. He think that these bangles are the token of happy lives and happy marriages, so they call out to buy to the daughters and the wives of the people. Okay, among them he call out for the people to buy them. So he calls like कि आओ ये bangles ले लो, and you took them, so they urge on the onlookers to buy them for their daughters and wives. ठीक है, अगर कोई जाता है तो they says कि you can take these bangles for your daughter and as well as for your wives. So the sellers are represented in one voice emphasis that all have the same goal and purposes. Last line, the lustrous token of radiant lives means that gives a peek into the Indian culture. Okay, कि बैंगल्स को जो एसोसिएट किया गया है वो हैप्पीनेस और प्रॉस्पेरिटी से किया गया है, जो कि डॉटर्स ऑफ वाइफ जब पहनते हैं तो उनको फील होती है.